Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to cancel an Afterpay gift card. So if you've purchased a gift card and for some reason you want to cancel that gift card, this video is for you. So let's get right into it. And the first is online cancellation. So you can cancel your card online, and the way to do that is by first logging into your Afterpay account. So you got to log into your account on the Afterpay website or the mobile app. Then you go to the gift card section and select the gift card you want to cancel and click cancel. So once that is done, the gift card will be canceled. And you got to take note of you could also contact Afterpay support to have a gift card canceled. So you could use the customer support service, or you could email them, or you could live chat. Whichever one it is you want to go for, you can just have that done. There are some requirements to canceling your gift card, and the first is you got to provide the gift card number and PIN, and of course you may or may not provide the reason for canceling the gift card. The refund process is pretty straightforward. So the refunds will be processed back to the original payment method. So if you use your debit card to do that, then you're gonna have that money back in your debit card or whatever. And also, if it's someone else who bought that gift card, the funds will go back to them. So you got to take note of that. And refunds will be processed within 3 to 5 business days. So it's a pretty lengthy process. You just gotta wait it out. That's pretty much it for learn how to sell off your gift cards, or how to get a refund on your gift cards. So I hope you guys found that video useful. If you did, then like the video, of course, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. If you have done that already, then thank you so much. We appreciate you. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.